Welcome to this tutorial on viewing a low tide map that you just copied to an SD card. Okay, zoom into your map's location via your built-in Navionics charts. Click More Options, look for Chart Source and choose your map. In this instance, it's the Dundee Bino Harbour map of 2025. Okay, nothing appeared. So go to More Options, click on Chart Options and you will see a tab called Shaded Relief. Remember this one. Push it and your low tide map appears. Okay, zoomed out a bit too far on this map and it's gone. So let's zoom in a fraction and go for a look-see up Dundee and over to Crabclaw. Not the lowest tide, but it's okay. This map actually goes all the way to Buffalo Creek, Howard River, but there is too much cloud cover over the Darwin waterways, so it's not for that purpose. Okay, we're at Crabclaw. Let's go back to your Navionics overlay so you can zoom out and have a bit of a look around at where you're been. Cheers.